Hey, what is up, guys? John from Magic Tech Review, and I am here on this website called gizchinda.com. So go ahead and check them out if you wish. And also, I'd like you to check out that like button. Go ahead and leave that like if you enjoy my content. Go ahead and subscribe to become part of the Magic Tech Review family. Comment down below what you think about this, and we're going to talk about the ZTE AXON 9. Pictured a new leak, rumored to receive flagship specs. So we're going to take a little gander at this here phone, and yeah, it looks pretty. I like it. There is going to be like one disappointment on the speaker front, as the picture, as you can see here in the picture. But other than that, looks like a pretty decent looking phone here. Of course, you're going to have your dual rear camera setup. Looks like you're actually going to have two cameras in the front as well, or maybe that's just a sensor. Don't know. You got your, looks like you have two LED lights in the back, almost a wraparound kind of type display. Bezels looking small. ZTE AXON 9 will eventually succeed the successful ZTE AXON 7 and 7S. So yeah, so let's go ahead. A new set of images has now surfaced that gives us a pretty good look at the upcoming premium handset. The image sourced from what Weibo show, what is it, an unexpected design in 2018. The AXON 9 maintains some physical traits of its predecessor, including the circular capacitive home flanked by two other keys. Yeah, I'm glad they actually kept that. I don't really too much enjoy the display or the buttons on the display. So let me know, guys, if you don't like that either. I don't particularly like those display button things. I like, you know, at least to have some type of physical home type capacitive keys at least. It says notably the front speaker grill has gone missing to be replaced by a backplate speaker. This might disappoint some, as the sound quality of ZTE AXON 7 was top notch. Yes, it was. Dual cameras retained their position and are accompanied by dual lenses at the front this time around. More importantly, the handset might employ the new Synaptics fingerprint reader like the Vivo X20 Plus UH or UD. So that's cool, man. It might have that fingerprint sensor that's actually embedded into the display. Says it won't compromise in firepower. If this leak is to believe, it will be armed with the latest Snapdragon 845 SoC and an AMOLED QHD display with 1440p. Also, the rear is rumored to be a 20 megapixel snapper. Wow, man, this is looking like really good, guys. Let me know what you think, guys. If this is like true, not true, plausible, you know, not plausible. Let me know what you guys think about that. Handsets tipped to house a 4 to 6 gigabytes of RAM. Further storage, 64, 128, or 256. So I found this right on Google, guys, and Google is pretty good when it comes to this stuff. They don't really tend to, you know, put out garbage or, you know, news that's not really, you know, what it is, at least, or at least halfway true. So let me know, guys, what you think. If you're gonna like this phone, wow, this phone is really nice. I think these specs are amazing. So I hope this comes to fruition, and I hope you guys also hit that like button. All right, peace out, guys. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.